What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I've mentored hundreds of people, and I see the same reoccurring thing happening all the time. Why 90% of people fail at trading, bro. I think it's even higher than that, to be honest. I think it's like the real statistic is like 97%. But from my experience, the reason 97% of people fail, the reason 97% of the people I've mentored give up and fail, is because you never prepared for it. You know what I'm saying? You never prepared to fail, bruh. When it comes to anything, you have to fail forward, right? You don't fail backwards. You have to fail forwards, man. I think a lot of people come into this industry or this skill set and just expect, honest to God, to get rich, like out of nowhere. And my thing is, I'll say this, for a lot of people these days in 2025, the curve has been shortened, or I hope I'm saying that right, but the learning curve has been shortened for y'all, to be honest. For people like me who were trading back in, 2018, 2019, a lot of us had to take a lot of the punches, bro. A lot of the fucking punches, so a lot of y'all could just come in and go crazy even faster, which is not an issue for the people who genuinely want to see you win. The people who've been trading for a while and genuinely want to see you go crazy. Because I can't speak for everybody. I want to see everybody go crazy, but we took a lot of the punches, bro. And I mean, you can reference it to even boxers, bro. Like when boxers go in the gym, bro. Boxers aren't. I mean, obviously they're training to knock you out, but majority of the time they're training on how to take a hit. You know what I'm saying? Like how many hits can you take and stay in the fucking ring? You feel me? That's how you gotta think about trading, bro. A lot of y'all never thought like, okay, boom, I'll be in this shit for a year and not see $1. I'll be in this shit for 2 years and not see $1. Not even seeing $1, but losing. You never thought in year 3 I'd still be losing money, bro. Telling you now, you gotta prepare for that shit. I can't tell y'all how many DMs and shit I even have of like, oh, I'm struggling, I need money, if you could just help me, and blah blah blah. Like, I'm trading my rent money, and dog, I get so many messages like that. Like, y'all wouldn't even, come on, like, but, and the thing is, like, the empathetic part in me is like, okay, like, yeah, I feel bad, I feel bad, but the man in me is like, bruh, you gonna have to take them hits like everybody else did, whether it's you undercapitalized to trade, whether you are capitalized and lose it all, like, whether you just can't catch a break, you gonna have to take them hits, bro. You know what I'm saying? Because on the other side of that shit, bro, you know what I'm saying? Well, like what's the trade-off? Like, okay, I could get fucked up for years, bro, and then one day I'm gonna wake up and I could just make 1,000, 10,000, 100. Hell, 100 is enough to change anybody's situation. It's 252 trading days in a year. Imagine making $100 each of those days. Obviously, that's in a perfect world, but I'm just saying that's an extra $25,000 a year. I would be happy with that. If someone gave me 25 bands right now, I would be ecstatic, you know? But yeah, that's something that's crossed my mind. Like, bro, y'all all come into this game ready to win, but who's ready to fail, bruh? Fucking idiot. Sorry, y'all. Who's ready to fail, bro? Because that's who's gonna end up successful. And that shit may sound crazy as fuck, but it's true. The person who's willing to eat the most shit, pause, is gonna come out with the most whatever. They gonna come out on top, bro. That's something that was on a nigga chest today. You know, before we get into the trading video. Honest to God, bro, this was probably the easiest fucking bread I've made, like, in a minute with this trade, bro. This trade was so fucking easy to do, bro. Like, I'm telling you, the more simple you keep this shit, the easier it just becomes, bro. Like, you don't need 10,000 indicators, bro. I promise you. Alright, well, I'm sitting here at the red light. I've already taken some positions for Bitcoin for the week. As you can see, it's a little easier to see in the dark. So this is that same account I've been, or my last YouTube video is about. Sorry, I'm driving, so it's a little tough. But, yeah, I've taken my positions. I'm up $50, but I promise you, by the end of the week, that's probably gonna be at least $1,000. Honestly, bro, crypto is like, this is the easiest money I've made in trading in like 6 years. I'm gonna be honest. Like, just because it's so simple to like it's just going up, right? How can you not make money off something that's just going up? And the pullbacks are just more opportunity for you to get in. If you haven't peeped my last video where I gave my strategy on trading crypto and Bitcoin, go check it out. Yo, what's good, y'all? So I feel like it's been almost like a week since I basically showed y'all that Bitcoin position. Crypto has been dragging me, right? Dragging everyone this past week, right? Let me just open that account. I believe the account was up like $50, and I told you guys, like, you know, if it goes my way, it should flip at least 1,000 something. Here we are. I think it's been like 5 days or something, right? Hopefully that's not backwards. Currently in drawdown, $417. You know, I was saying, like, you know, by the end of the week, you know, the account should be up at least $1,000. Just to show y'all, like, I have diamond hands and shit. I'm not bullshitting about any positions or anything that I'm taking. I think we maxed out. Now, obviously, it's a screenshot, but we maxed out at, what is that, 236. So around $240 before the market just started bullshitting the rest of the week. Now, you may be asking, like, Chris, like, you're not exercising proper risk management. Well, that's the thing about account flips, right? So it's not meant to exercise proper risk management. Risk management is for basically accounts you're trying to sustain over time, right? When you're flipping an account, you're basically low-key gambling, you know what I'm saying? So basically I'm down 400. I'm willing to lose about 600-800, only because that's I think my last big trade was around that amount or somewhere like that. Basically on inauguration day, whatever you call it. So yeah, I have a set amount in mind. Whoa. But the thing is, right now, so y'all see that account. Let me show you. So I was basically waiting on that account to basically fulfill all my orders and get to a certain spot to where I know I would make at least 1,000, which would be like 106K, I think, was my target on Bitcoin. So what I did was I went ahead and just threw $1,000 in another account, as y'all can see, just to get better positioning. Once again, hopefully it's not backwards. So as you can see, there's a nice support down there. I'm currently up $50 on this account. So basically the game plan is when price hits my target, because it's gonna hit it, you know, that should be a cool 2 to 3 bands. Like, very simple. But like I said, I've been getting dragged. Crypto has been on BS all week. I'll try to show y'all the charts, but what that means for you, right? You guys, right? Bro, y'all, like, this is the perfect time. Like, if you haven't made $100, $1,000 in your trading career, I personally believe this is the best time to go ahead and jump in. Like I said, I'll show you on the charts, but dude, crypto is sitting at a major support, and I feel like it's about to explode because we have so much bullish news around it, right? So for those, y'all know, I really only trade GJ. I haven't looked at GJ all week. I'm gonna be so honest. Now, a small percentage of that is because I've been in drawdown. I've been waking up every morning like, bro, please let Bitcoin have flown past 100K, but we can't seem to break it at the current moment, which is cool, right? That's another thing about being in drawdown. You have to disconnect from the money, right? So as y'all can see, the average person probably isn't okay with being $400 plus in drawdown. I mean, that's damn near half the account, right? The account's at 1,600. So the average, what is that? Hopefully my math is still good. I think that's like 40%, 20, 30, something like that. The average person isn't like okay with that. But me personally, I know what I'm targeting. I know what I'm going after. So I'm not really, plus I'm already in profit, so it doesn't bother me. This is the perfect position if you haven't, I promise you, like for those who have been trying to become profitable, this is the perfect time, bro. Buy Bitcoin, bro. I'm trying to tell you, fuck the meme coins and the shit coins and all of that. I haven't really been trading GJ or anything like that, but you know, it is what it is. It's been one of them weeks, you know. It's still the new year. I'm still loading up. You know, the most important thing is to at least try, bro. Like, a lot of people have given up on their goals for this year. The most important thing you can do is just try. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, a little bit goes a long way. You don't have to do 100% every fucking day. Do 1% a day. Do something important every single day. Right? And I guarantee you, when you look up at the end of the year, you'll be shocked at how far you came, bro. You know what I'm saying? But that's just a little game. But yeah, I think I'll go ahead and just show y'all what I'm talking about on the chart so you can visually see what I'm trying to tell you about this opportunity, right? So if you're watching this in time for you know, this opportunity to take place, congrats to you. All right, let me go ahead and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Show you basically why this could be the last chance to take advantage of whatever's about to happen with Bitcoin, right? All right, so basically I have this area marked. Let me go full screen. I have this area marked, right? So basically this is a demand area. The first time we even touched this area was in November, right? All the way back in November. as you can see, right, ever since then, you have multiple touches to this area. But for some reason, it's refusing to break, right? So, what does that mean for us? Basically, so today is what, the 8th? On February 3rd, we came and touched this area and had a major rejection, right? This is probably the biggest rejection that we've had yet, right, to this area. Also, keep in mind this is the daily time frame. If you look at the past 1, 2, 3 days, actually, let me zoom into it. If you look at the past 3 days, you have these like 3 exhaustion candles, right? So basically what that's telling you, and mind you, this is after basically dropping from 106,000 all the way down to 91. Bears were in control, right? But what this shows you is basically exhaustion. So it's as simple as 1, 2, 3. You kind of know what's about to happen next, right? So let me delete that. Also, let me zoom out. Here's where a lot of people are gonna get fucked up. Okay, so we have our high up here, right? Our high is up here, specifically 109, right? Let me delete this. Specifically 109. So if I draw this fib, right, structure wise, let me get right there, from this low all the way to this high, right? Okay, so now we've had a 38, obviously more than 38, probably almost 50% pullback, right? Which is basically letting you know, all leveraged traders, meaning me and you, everyone else who basically trades Bitcoin, is more than likely stopped out. I think over $1 billion was liquidated just off this move alone right here, right? And that's the importance of that last touch right here. Over $1 billion was liquidated, right? Where a lot of people are gonna get fucked is they're expecting Bitcoin to come down to this area, the 88,000, 82, like this golden zone area, right? Well, the thing with Bitcoin is you can't trade Bitcoin, and this is why I've been very successful with Bitcoin. You can't trade Bitcoin like a forex pair, if that makes sense. Like, Bitcoin is heavily manipulated, and it's also heavily manipulated, and it's also very you have to have almost an investor's mindset when trading Bitcoin. That's why, if y'all noticed, hold on, let me try to bring it up. If you noticed on the account that I'm in drawdown on, let's see if I can show y'all real quick. Okay. Hopefully this will show. All right. Foot. Okay. So the account that I'm in drawdown on, you see all those buy positions, right? So basically, in terms of an investor, right, you buy when everyone's panicking, right? So all my positions came during, let me delete this fib so I can keep this as clear as possible. All my positions came during this drop, right? So I was actually taking buys as price was dropping, right, instead of trying to buy it on the way up. And that's low key the game when you play the investing game as well. So basically, that's the thing with Bitcoin. You kind of have to have that type of mindset. Now, I've showed y'all how to catch entries basically scaling in and all that type of shit. And I think it was the previous video to this one. But I say all that to say, right, if I mark out even just the supply level up here, right? So let me do this. Even if I just mark this area out, right, and you get in right, let's just say right here, it's at 96.8. Even if we come up to this area, right, that you still have about 12,000, I don't know what you want to call it on Bitcoin, pips, whatever. Even with a 0.01, do you know how much money that is? That's literally what, 1,000. So a 0.01, that's literally $100. So even with a 0.1 or 10.01s, that's $1,000. You know what I'm saying? And I'm telling you, price is going to do this right here easily. Now, whether it wants to keep flying, because there's a lot of bullish news around Bitcoin right now. Whether it wants to keep flying, that's up to you know, whatever, the big boys in the game. But as you can see from the title, if you're watching this video, you're about to become profitable, because yo, like, take advantage. My only fear with crypto right now, like I said, crypto is the easiest shit to trade right now, and probably the most profitable. I could be wrong, you know what I'm saying, but for me, it's been the most profitable. My only fear is that it never comes back down here. Like, it's low-key a fear, low-key not, because I'm already in position. But for you guys, I'm telling you, we just had this major rejection right here. We got all this exhaustion right here. You know, from the bears and shit. You know, it's over with. It's over with. Even if I draw from this low right here to this high. Like, look what price is doing right in front of your face. Right? Look what it's doing right in front of your face. It's a golden zone right here. You know what I'm saying? Because technically this is the new low after this big push up here, right? And then you have this new high. So this was basically to get everyone out. All even the leverage traders that's been doing this shit in between here. So, you know what I'm saying? Trying to tell you. Even, check this out. Let me tell y'all exactly why I loaded up 1,000 into a different account as well. Because number one, I'm low-key just waiting on positions to fill on that initial account that I showed y'all just now with. That's like $300 in drawdown. But check this out. This is exactly why I started. I went ahead and loaded up a new account. So, boom, right here. Let me go ahead and draw this out. Right. Boom. Drag that over. Let me delete this. Because, I mean, this is even a range, but let me show you the bigger range that I've been looking at all fucking week. Okay. So, boom. Alright, cool. Now it makes sense. Drag this over a little bit. Alright. So, alright, yeah, that makes more sense because this goes all the way back to Tuesday. Alright, and then we have the 100K area right here. Boom. Alright, and anyone who's still in here, congrats. You know what I'm saying? I know shit can get boring. But alright, cool. So what I noticed as I was waiting on price to come fulfill all my orders all the way up to 102, which when it came up here, that's when I was about $200 some in profit, as I showed y'all earlier. But I noticed throughout the week, we're literally just fucking ranging and ranging, right? So when I saw price basically just sitting down here, that's when I decided I'm gonna load up 1,000 and just get better entries. But this is a what? 2,700. Go to the top. This is almost a 3,000 pip range, right? So even on a 0.1, that's about $300 per position, right? So even if you held here, boom, 300. Sold it up here, 300. Buy, 300. Sell, 300. Vice versa. Buy here, up here, 300. Sell, would have went in drawdown, 300, right? And right now, what do you think it's about to do? It's about to do the same shit, probably fly above it. But 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, that's over $2,000. Now, did I capitalize off of it? No, because I was literally trying to wait for my initial account to, kind of fly. So that's where I fucked up this week. But I'm not about to fuck up no more, and that's the important part. And I'm also putting y'all on game. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. Like I said, just stay in position. This shit is about to take off. If you would like to keep up with the trades I'm taking, you can just by joining my free community. All you have to do is sign up to my broker in the link in the description, and then DM me on Instagram, and I'll send you the link to the community. That includes signals as well. All right, but hopefully y'all enjoyed that video. I will keep y'all updated on this account. For those who remember or even think about this shit later on, just know once Bitcoin flies, I'm up. Whoever takes the advice is up. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, I'm out, gang.